How to use free voice changer app on your PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. So first thing, go here to voicemode.net. This is the website. Now right here, click on download voice mode for free, and after you download it, you will find it on your desktop, and then all what you have to do is just choose between the voices that you have. There is the robot voice and many other choices. As you can see, you can also add sound effects to your game with the soundboard. As you can see from here, this is the dashboard, and you have also how to use it. You can also use it in the chat apps like WhatsApp or Zoom or any other website. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.